And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the column tag. It's a tag that's used in tables, so I've got a simple table created here. But let me give it a border. So I use the style tag in the head. I'll give the border to the table in general, table data and the table head. But I also want to make it collapse. Now how can we use the column? Well, at first you define a col group right here on top of all of the table data, so before the first table row. And inside you'll define a col, which is the column. It doesn't have a closing tag. My table has 3 columns, so the first one will automatically target the first column. And if I change the background color to red, and I'll set the attribute to style, let me refresh it. You can see that this is now red. I have the option to use a span attribute to expand it. So if I make it 2, it's going to target the first 2 columns. But if I leave it out, only the first will be affected. And if I now add a second col, it's going to target the second column. So let me make that a background color of yellow, and I'll refresh it. And you can see the browser automatically knows that the second column is meant. So if I add span and make it 2, second and third column will be yellow. And this is basically what you need this col tag for in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.